Are you in school? Like any kind of school? Early childhood? Primary? Secondary? Tertiary? Having trouble passing your exams? Well, try studying.
Oh, hi there. First time I did CXC maths, I got a U. That means I'm graded. That means CXC did not know what to do with my paper.
1 out of every 10 person after taking studying passed their exams. Oh, I didn't see you there. This is kind of weird. Okay, well, then I tried studying. 5 doses of studying a day, and my problems are kind of fixed. Yeah. Side effects include sleepiness, tiredness, dizziness, fatigue, mood changes, difficulty concentrating, memory problems, paranoia, hallucinations, loss of friends, and death. So if you're like me and you want a better grade, try studying. After all my effort, I got a 4 and I'm not retaking it.